celebration stands for. To our respected leaders, members, guests, and friends, thank you for being part of this journey. Your presence reminds us that the heart of our chapter lies in its people, in the passion, teamwork, and compassion that each of you brings. As we look back to the accomplishments of Tiger Knights Japan chapter, let us also look forward with renewed energy and purpose. May this celebration inspire us to continue serving, helping, and leading with integrity and unity. Once again, happy first founding anniversary, and thank you for being part of this meaningful celebration. Good afternoon and enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.